Hi, John Houston recently asked on Talk Graphics about how to reclaim page spaces, and I won't read all the way through it, but basically what he was after is give us a link to his site, and this is his site here, and he sells ancient playing cards. Wouldn't mind getting a packet of those. And what he's doing is if he deletes one from there, he gets this empty gap. Not only that, he wants to keep them in chronological order. So these are 1812, let's say 1812 here, 1818 down there, 1820. So it matters where he puts them. And I was quite interested to see how that was done, and so let's have a look, see what we can do. Okay, here I am. I've replicated a site, just pinching stuff off his site. I've only changed this here because it's an image previously on his website. It's green, and nothing seems to why that green he's using. I don't know. Everything's blue and red and black in playing cards, and that green just seems to be completely out of kilter. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. So what I've done is I've put some guide layers here. I don't normally use guide layers, but it's quite good if you, in this case, because he seems to want to have a fairly rigid layout with his text and stuff. So that's that. So what these things are, if you notice, they have a very slight pinkish background, and if I select over them and look down the bottom here, it says 8 objects in a soft group on layer mouse off. So they're a soft group, so they move together. And if I right click over them, they also have a push feature, and the push is set to 20 pixels at the top, 20 pixels at the bottom, and extend size doesn't really make much difference in this particular case because they're all full screen anyway. And I'll similarly, here's another one lower down with 5 objects in a soft group on layer mouse off with a similar push quality, etc, etc. So all the way down to here. Now say he wanted to add another set of cards. If I just make sure that the mouse off is not visible and not editable, and I'll go up here to the construction, and here I've got a construction I've already made, which is a pack of cards. This obviously this rectangle in the back, the text, that playing card which is set to repel text under, and then this code number, the add to cart, the price, and the return to top button, and finally it's got this page divider here. So I can drag over that and select it, go edit, copy, close these layers down, go into mouse off layer, and I'm going to zoom to 25% here, and I'm just going to go Control V to paste those, and I'll drag them off the page for the time being, and I'll go Arrange, apply a soft group, set push feature, push, and we're using 20 pixels, so we might as well keep to that, 20, apply. Okay, now I've got to make a space. I don't know what the date this one is, but I've got to make the date. So let's say we put it in between these, in the middle of the all four. So I'm going to have to make room for that. So I'll move this down like this. Drag, select, hold down Control, just move those down there like that. And hopefully I should have made enough space in that. So if I now set that in there, down. I'm going to apply that. And you see that now everything's set out. So if I go to preview current site, go down, there's a new page we've just put in. So that's quite good. Don't know why that's all kinky over there. Should really be, I think that's because it should be a PNG, it should be exported as a PNG, it's exporting as a JPEG. But again, that's neither here nor there. So let's just have another final look at, say we wanted to, now we've sold this pack of cards, we want to delete it, so I'll just hit delete, drag select the remainders down the bottom, and if I just push them up here, that shortens the page, and that has now been sold. Finally, this rectangle, I've only put the rectangle in so you can see it. You can see it's filled with a named colour called background rectangle down the bottom left here, background rectangle. If you don't want that background rectangle, which is just a red rectangle, and I think if I can remember correctly, it has well 94.5%, 95% transparency. If you didn't want to do that, being a named colour, you can just drag that named colour up there, pull that down to white, and then when you preview, that now works fine. Okay, I would say with these dividers, just to ensure that they export as PNG and not as JPEGs, and then you wouldn't get this background moving around. Anyway, I hope that helped. This is Egg. All the best. Cheery, bye.